check.
Huh. That could make things difficult.
Oh, it's almost on the hour. We've got work to do, chum. Your next move is a cage.
This must be the 100th time we've moved this thing.
There's 3 more days of it yet.
At least you're learning a bit about chess.
Well, I've learned enough to put you in check. Let's see how the expert gets out of that. Right, on with the game. Hey, your queen wasn't there.
I must have moved it without thinking. The old master does it again. Check. Now let's see how you get out of that one.